y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have a little bit of a project share, I guess you would call it. Let's see, what was it, Wednesday night? We had a Stampin' Up class in our group on Zoom. It was one of our monthly classes, and it's called Sip and Stamp, and that means we get to gather on Zoom and we do whatever we want to work on. And I wanted to work on some cards from the Santa tag, Love Santa tag kit, that's what it was. And it's a tag kit, but I wanted to try making cards out of it. So these are the cards that I made, and you can check out the unboxing that I did, but right here are some of the cards, and I want to make some more cards. These are just some that I did, like I said, while I was in my little class, and we just chit chat and have a good time, you know, visiting and everything. So these were just some that I kind of threw together real quick with some product that I had, and I didn't think I had the Night of Navy cardstock, and you know, I'm in the middle of just about rearranging the entire apartment, to be honest, because we had like our bedroom and this room was all in one room, and we finally got our bedroom put where it needed to be, and now I'm trying to get this room situated, and we're still unpacking and stuff. So I had made an order and got this cardstock and didn't realize where it was. So that's what happens when you're still trying to unpack for moving, and you're moving stuff around. But yeah, I found it yesterday, and I was like, oh, I'm so glad I didn't order any more. But yes, now I can actually use it and some more of these cards. But anyway, the tags are the little Santa, the tree, and this one right here, and this I call it a truck. Some people have called it a car, and some people have called it a bus, but I think it looks like a truck with a bunch of packages in the back of the truck. So you can comment and let me know what you think this is. This is one of my favorite right here. I just think it's so cute. But I used some of the Stella first, and on like the little headlights, and then I used my desk is such a mess, I can't find anything. Where is it? Here it is. This Shimmery crystal effects. I love using this stuff. I used that, and it kind of like raises up and makes it like glossy looking, and with the Stella also, it really makes it glisten. And this right here came out of the center of this tag. So all my tags, I cut the tops off, because the tags look like this, and I just cut them off except for this one. And the centers, I took all the centers out of these 3 tags, which were yellow, glued them down, and then used some of this Shimmery Crystal Effects, little dot, and that's how I got it to look like little yellow embellishments there to match. And I just thought that was real cute. Now you probably cannot tell, but there is Wink of Stella all over the little ribbons and bows there. So it probably does not show up. And then these little pink embellishments came in the kit. They came with all these cute little pink and I don't know what colors these are. They're kind of like iridescent looking, and I'm not sure what the yellow ones are. I think it's one of the new in colors. I think it's let's see, it may be Bumblebee or something like that. I can't remember what it said on the box. I'd have to get the, let's see, maybe it says on here. Here it is. Let's see what colors are in there again. I cannot even remember. It says on here, oh, yes it is. It's Bumblebee. Bumblebee, Just Jade, Night of Navy, Polished Pink, and Poppy Parade. Yep, that's it. I am so tired, y'all. Okay, so yes, those are the colors that were in the kit. All right, and then this is the ribbon that came in it, or twine, I should say. And then this, I used some different ribbon and twine. And I used Wink of Stella. And all of this came in the kit. And all I did was put the tag together and popped it onto a card base, the Poppy Parade card base. And, oh, I guess I could show you the inside. They had a little package, these are the stamps, and I just did the little package inside. And then I decorated the inside of this one. This is from a different stamp set. It's an older stamp set. Both of these, all this was from an older stamp set. And then this one, I don't know if you can tell all the glimmer that's going on here, but again, I used Wink of Stella, and I used on every one of the little colored balls here, I used this Shimmer Crystal Effects. So it would really glisten. And all over the tree, I also used the Wink of Stella. So it would really glisten and shine. And I really wish, but I wasn't thinking about it, but I wish I would have gotten like another stamp set, one of my other paper pumpkins or another stamp set or something, but nothing was close by me at the time, and I didn't feel like getting up and trying to hunt for anything since I was in the middle of a class. Doing something more on the background of these cards instead of it being so plain, but that's why I'll do some more and not having it just them so plain. But I still think they look pretty, even though they're just plain. But this shows you just, something real simple and easy that can be put together for someone that, you know, if you're not real advanced at card making, how easy this could be done. And then let's see, I didn't know, this one's blank. I haven't done anything inside of it yet. And then this one right here is the little Santa tag. And actually I ended up getting some little hearts from another die set and putting those on there. And I glittered all this up, his little cheeks and everything, and then this little belt with the Linka Stella. So you probably can't tell that. This I glittered up with the Linka Stella and the Shimmery fix. So. And then that one is blank inside too. I didn't do anything yet inside it. But those are the cards from the Love Santa Tag Kit. So if you would like to order that one, you can get it. And just go to stampinup.com, and here is my host code, so you can use that host code to order that kit. And then you can, if you'd like to turn them into cards, and you can order some extra supplies to turn the tags into cards. So now I want to show you some other things, and so that if you would like to start getting maybe the paper pumpkin kit, because we got a new paper pumpkin kit coming up, and this is why I like getting the paper pumpkin kits. I went back into like last year's paper pumpkin kits, and this is what's fun about it, because when you don't use all your product, you can always go back and you can get your product and mix it with the new product, or just go back and revisit the kit and look at it in a different way and make new things or whatever. So I did that, and because I wanted to make some things for someone, and I thought I would make some little projects. So I made this cute little embellishment out of one of the kits from last year, and this was a card kit from last year. So I thought, well, I'll make an embellishment out of it. And this was just like a piece of a card here, and this was actually a die. So all these other little pieces was just some from the kit. So I did that, and I don't know if you can tell, but I used Linka Stella on it, and I'm really having fun with this Shimmery crystal effects. So you can see I used it on the berries, I used it inside the flower, and I used Linka Stella all over that flower. I feel like I'm losing my voice. And then this is some tags from two other kits last year. I think it was the November kit of last year. And so I made a couple of tags. I thought this turned out a little cute. So that's all I did there. So I just went back and looked at them, and I didn't even get to use that kit last year. And so, yeah, I thought, well, because so much was going on, and I think I opened it and looked through it, and I may have gotten a piece or two out of it and everything. So I thought, well, I'm gonna go get that, and because it was sitting here. And so, yeah, I wanted to pull these out and go ahead and use them, since it was the, you know, that time of the year and make a few things so I could share them with people. So that's what I wanted to share with y'all. So if y'all would please remember to, share my videos, I sure would appreciate it. And subscribe if you're new to my channel. And remember to click the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you of my new videos. And please remember to give me a thumbs up. That helps me so much. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. So I appreciate you watching, and hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again soon, and y'all have a very blessed day. Thanks for watching.